News. Toronto doctor shares images of lungs to show how COVID-19 is brutalizing young people. France summons Chinese envoy over unacceptable insults. Brazilian Jews file complaint over politician who said Jews sacrifice children. Polish writer facing prison for calling president moron. New COVID-19 variants caused reinfection of about 1,400 people in Czech Republic. Pakistan buys 1 million vaccine doses from China. Biden admin sanctions Chinese officials for abuses against Uyghurs. The Treasury Department also announced sanctions against military leaders in Myanmar for a campaign of violence and intimidation against peaceful protesters. UN warns famine will soar in Syria, Yemen, Venezuela, 17 more countries in next months. Tasmania set to legalise voluntary assisted dying. US admiral says Beijing's ability to invade Taiwan, much closer than most think. Today Ireland steps up its ambition by making climate action the law, with a legally binding target of net zero emissions by 2050, and a 51% cut in emissions this decade. Reporters Without Borders sues Facebook over hate speech. In reversal, updated Israeli exit polls now show Netanyahu losing majority. Norway blocks Rolls-Royce's plan to sell engine maker to Russia. 60 largest banks in the world have invested $3.8 trillion in fossil fuels since the Paris Agreement. Australia, New Zealand say clear evidence of rights abuses in China's Xinjiang. China slams Canada's treatment of First Nations in response to sanctions. Suez Canal blocked in both directions by mega container ship. Israeli army accidentally reveals secret bases in detailed online maps that leaked exact boundaries of its air force and military intelligence bases. 3 Russian nuclear bomber crew members killed after ejector seat malfunctions.